Hindenburg report 2.0, which came out yesterday, failed to create ripples as far as the share market is concerned. There is a lot of political crosstalk between the opposition and the government as far as this report is concerned, which has completely been rubbished by the Sebi chief, Sebi itself, and also the Adani Group. Let's just listen into some reactions on the impact of this report as far as the Indian stock market is concerned.
Well, I had a very broad brush at the level of allegations that came out. I'm certainly not a forensic, expert, but I just sense that, it is so frivolous. I would like to believe that, more than India or more than our top chair of, regulatory body, I think this is going to be the downfall of people who made these accusations. Markets are very efficient. They'll see through if you've done some good work or whether it is very frivolous in nature. And I don't think that, I don't expect any reaction at all from the markets. I think it will have a natural death.
I can't really find anything of any substance in the report. All the allegations and the responses which have come, they make it absolutely clear that it really looks like there is some larger purpose to this report, and it is really maligning the image of someone who has so immensely contributed to Indian capital market in various roles in last few years. And there's absolutely nothing. If you have invested into certain funds because of advice of certain close friend of yours, and you redeem the fund as soon as the friend left out, I can't really find out what is wrong in all of this.
That kind of stuff would be done by a graduate level analyst in a firm like ours to dig up that data. There's nothing credible in it. I mean, it's just a bunch of facts. And more importantly, my view is they would definitely not get a job with us or anybody else, not only us. I mean, what is it? You Google something, you find something, and then you put it out and say, selectively, because I'm sure they found something else, but they selectively chose to use this data, which shows nothing. I mean, there is nothing material in it. So I don't even know why there is even this interest on social media. Maybe it will stay for a couple of days, it will die out.
Markets haven't ignored it 100%. The next time this happens, market will ignore it 100%. So the last time this happened, if you remember, the reaction was much more steeper on the way down. This time the reaction has been a bit more mild. So markets haven't completely discounted it. Markets have reacted to it. But the more this happens and the more consistently they keeps happening on a regular basis, then at a point of time market will not even talk about it. So for example, the media channels are now discussing about it first thing in the morning. 2 or 3 more sessions like this, and people will not talk about this only. You may remember after the exit polls and after the elections, there was talk about how exit polls were rigged and short sellers made money. But even from those levels, Nifty is higher now. So the more these kind of things happen, I think it's good for markets because our market participation is fairly deep, and this tends to show that everything is in order.